Good morning, good people. Big Mo the Crypto Lion here. Well, if you tried to log into Coinexchange today, you were met with this. And if you were like me, you checked, double checked, looked in your bookmarks, reloaded, put it in Chrome, put it in Explorer, and said, what the hell? What happened to Coinexchange? Did Coinexchange exit scam? Well, what happened is they're apparently doing some serious maintenance here. First of all, here's where their temporary URL is, and this came out just 27 minutes ago. This is on their, they put out the tweet saying nothing has changed other than the URL. We'll be using this until the DNS issues are resolved. So it's coinexchange2.com. Okay, coinexchange2.com, and I'm going to retweet this as well so that folks can see it. The other thing is 6 hours ago, so that's I guess overnight, maybe about let's see, it's quarter to 11 now, so I guess 5 o'clock this morning. We're about to go down for maintenance to switch over to a temporary alternative domain. We'll update Twitter when we're back online. Yeah, please do not, and this is really the most important thing, is when stuff like this happens, you go ahead and you Google and you try to find Coinexchange, and then that's how you're subject to phishing attacks. I'm not sure exactly if that's what happened with the hack on EtherDelta, but honestly, I don't even mess with EtherDelta anymore. I never liked it. It was too hard to use, and so that was fine by me. I think I left about $10 in Ether on there and a couple of tokens. Man, they can have it. But anyway, I digress. All right, so please do not use any links or IP addresses from any other source. We'll keep you updated not long now. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, so again, they set out a bunch of tweets on it, and I honestly I missed it. I just, I didn't use Coinexchange yesterday, and then I went to use it today, and it was just weird. So it looks like, as I read a little closer now, what happened is, here they put this out back on the 16th. This come to our attention that someone has been sending out spam using coinexchange.io in the text. This is possibly causing a number of emails regarding spam. Please check your spam folders. So it looks like it wasn't an issue, or they didn't think it was an issue, and then the next thing you know, they started having the DNS issues. Excuse me. And then we apologize to those of you who are unable to access the website. We're working around the clock to set up alternative access. This has been caused by our domain getting blacklisted by Spamhaus for spam we did not send or authorize, which has resulted in a DNS block. So it looks like the timeline of it is they found out that people were spamming using Coinexchange, coinexchange.io in the text, and obviously they weren't sending it. So the next thing is they started having DNS issues as a matter, because of this. So the next deal, so you can look at the timeline, that was 22 hours ago. They first found it on January 16th, probably didn't think it was anything. And then you can see by the timeline, 22 hours ago, 9 hours ago, and then the one 27 minutes, 38 minutes ago now. All right, so Spamhaus is one of the, how you just click on an email, you say this is spam. So Spamhaus is one of those, I don't know how you pronounce it, I'm probably messing it up, but it's one of those, I don't even know what the term is, but they keep a category, a list of all spam email addresses, I guess is how you put it. So anytime you click this is spam in your email, it puts it there and lets people know, okay, for your spam filters, don't let this in, this is spam. So it must have been a large amount for this to all of a sudden decide that now Coinexchange is no longer valid. So that's what resulted in it. That's what caused it. But to Coinexchange credit, they were very proactive on it. Once they realized what's going on, they went ahead, they set up an alternate domain, and they've been tweeting about it regularly. So, kudos to them. This is what we appreciate in crypto and online. Just so, we need to know what the heck's going on. And they did a fantastic job of that. So, props, kudos, applause to Coinexchange. They took care of it. So if you are trying to get on Coinexchange right now, you have to put in coinexchange2.com, as they mentioned. Don't be like me and just put a 2 in front of IO, because that doesn't work. All right, Coinexchange, it's not coinexchange2.io, it's coinexchange2.com. Okay, and they're up. You can log in and everything. I did turn off that daggone troll box. I didn't know that the volume was on this first page before you log in. I was looking for it inside once I logged in. Anyway, again, I'm Big Mo the Crypto Lion. Thanks for tuning in. Please share, like, and subscribe. And don't freak out. Coinexchange did not go anywhere. They're still awesome. All right. Peace and God bless.